Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Friday, February 28, 2025, the last day of the month of the February. So it will be worth to take a look at the ZND token. As you know, it's a native token for the ZND platform and for the Zondacrypto. And the reason for that is that the ZND loyalty program airdrop had just started 3 days ago, and as you can see on this official web page brief, there's 100,000 tokens prepared for this airdrop, and the entire event runs from the February 25th to March 25th 2025. You can find the main guidelines about how you can earn the points, and of course you have some plans for the ZND loyalty program plans, how to earn ranking points in this program, what to do to get as many points as possible, and how you can benefit having these points. So remember, getting at least 10,000 points in the ZND loyalty program is crucial. This is your only path to qualify for share of the 100,000 ZND pool. So then you can use the Telegram app task to multiply your score. Obviously, the whole airdrop is being airdrop campaign is being run on that Telegram application. So go ahead, download your application and enter the ZND loyalty program airdrop now. All right, let's now switch to the technical part of this video analysis. ZND to USDC daily time frame chart, Zondacrypto exchange, and the ZND is obviously altcoin of the week. So what do we have here is quite impressive. After the airdrop campaign started, the loyalty campaign started, you can see dramatic increase in the price of the ZND. We can take, of course, the measurement of this recent increase. Let me just take a look. We got price range. There you go. The price range from the low, or even from the start of the campaign. There you go. From the start of the campaign to yesterday, we got already made 63 percent, of course, 63%. The low was 0.35, as you can see here. That was it was even lower. Lower was 0.29 apparently, and the high was 0.48. So pretty nice deal, pretty nice bounce to the upside. And this is the reason why the ZND is our altcoin of the week, as we run our loyalty airdrop campaign, and the market is reacting on this news. There is something else, obviously, that I didn't mention just yet. ZND token has been listed on the Gate.io, the largest centralized cryptocurrency exchange. So that's another huge news for the ZND token. All right, enough with the fundamentals, releases, and airdrops. Let's focus on the technical part of our analysis. What do we have here? The first thing that you can see straight on from this moment is that level here, and that level 0.29, most likely we mean 0.30 is a very important level, because this is the level that once been hit before. It was violated on November 14th. Then it was tested a little bit lower. We went during this test. 0.27 was the actual low, and then we done this huge upside swing during the next 1, 2, 3, 4 days, right? So this is not a new level for the ZND token, all right? So this is and for the ZND USDC market as well. So we got 0.2668, 0.32 to be precise, demand zone, and we can easily label it. We can easily place the where is my rectangle? There you go. There you go. We can easily place our green rectangle on this zone, because this is our demand zone. Very important demand zone. And as you can see, the market has been reacting on this demand zone. We went here to test it. There was a first buying the dip opportunity, then we have some sort of the pullback, some sort of the consolidation, then another test of this zone, and after this news hits the wire, then we have the very nice 65% upward movement. Basically, we are going towards the level of 0.5, right? 0.5, half of the dollar, 50 cents is the next psychological level for the bulls. Now, the other thing you would like to take a look at would be that trend line. All right, so this is the trend line. It is very nice and clear, visibly clear for the on the daily time frame chart. Even if I will just zoom out a little. Be sure that there is no coincidence that I have placed this trend line. It's been tested multiple times. There was a breakout above this trend line, then we went lower a little bit in 3 waves, ABC to the downside, tested it for the second time, and then lift off to the upside had started. So not only the demand zone was a technical reason why the ZND market moved higher, there was another reason, which is of course the breakout above the trend line. Obviously, the news helped the movement to the upside. Now is the question whether we will hold to these gains. Let me just take a look at one of the indicators. It's called RSI, and the RSI is showing us the momentum. All right, and you can take a look here that for the first time in the history of the ZND token, well, the TGA was on October 24th last year, so it's a relatively new token. We hit already extremely overbought market conditions on a daily time frame chart, fine, but then that's the first time we ever hit extremely oversold conditions, right? 19.5, roughly 20 points on the RSI indicator, and now we are bouncing from this zone. There is still room to the upside here. You can see we haven't touched the level of 70 points on the RSI, which means there is still a room to the upside for the bulls. There is still room to the upside here on the chart as well. So it looks like this movement to the upside has not been finished just yet. What do we need? What do we need next is, of course, the some kind of a target level. 0.50 is fine, but the next one would be definitely 0.55, which is the technical resistance, and one more, much more violent level in terms of the price swings is 0.64. Any breakout above of this levels would mean that the bulls are back, and we should see even higher levels on the ZND token soon. Right, so it's not like just a random technical resistance. Those levels are crucial for the ZND to fly higher, to move higher, even towards 0.8 and above, right? Because we already broke above the trend line, we already tested the demand zone, we bounced from the demand zone, we bounced from the extremely oversold market conditions, we are into the positive territory, positive area, where the sentiment is good, sentiment is positive, momentum is very strong. The question is whether the bulls will make it at least towards 0.5 and then above. So that was my analysis of ZND token to USDC market on a daily time frame chart on Zondacrypto. Thank you very much for watching this, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.